Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I'm here for a Tonic Craft Kit unboxing. I believe this is kit number 26. It's for October, so whichever number we're on is October. First, I want to show you the other two tonic dies that I picked up on Create and Craft. They had these pocket dies a few weeks back. And I didn't want all four of them, but I really did like these two. So they had this one, and it's called the Embellished Swirl Perfect Pockets. And it actually creates a pocket, or you can do multiple things like turn them the other way, cut them in, cut them out. They have, this is what the pieces look like for you. And so you can create little corners like this. You can pockets. They give you some other ideas here. And so I really, really like this design. And the thing about it is they give you two different designs, so it's not the same corner. So if you look at this, I'm trying to get it right for you. So if you look at that one and that one, they're different. So it's fabulous. And then you get two smaller corners. Then I also loved this one, which is your Delicate Lattice Perfect Pocket. And you get two different ones in this one, and this is what they look like. Let's see if I can get that in there, right? So they give you two different corners there, and then two different styles of the smaller corners. So love that. Love, love, love. So I really liked this one. And then, of course, I got some more tonic dies coming because I can't seem to stop buying them. Although I did not buy all of the latest release. I only bought one. Okay, so let's get to the tonic unboxing for kit 26. And if it's not right, I'll change it in the description box. Woo-hoo-hoo. So you see it comes like this, and it comes from FedEx. Well, at least for me, it comes delivered by FedEx. And let's go in here and see what we have. I'm going to go ahead and move the box out of the way. That way, there'll be room. Guys, my room is so ridiculously stuffed. It's crazy. All right, so first I have this craft tacky glue from Tonic, and it's the Essentials, and it's a full one. So that's always lovely because they give you a variety of stuff, and some are mini, some are full, some are not. So this, I like this glue. Okay, so I've had 2 bottles of it before, and I used both bottles. You also get a tool this month, and the tool are these scissors. And they kind of have like not too squishy handles. They still feel firm, but they are your double beveled blades. And they are detailed scissors, so they're tiny, like for fussy cutting, and I guess you could use it for other things. But so you get those, and they're blue, so I'm interested to try those. You get some blue and white baker's twine, and this is like a full roll, so that's a lot on it. I think they said 25 meters. So there you go. And what I like about the colors that they put in here is it's very got a Christmas winter feel, but it also could be like ocean, water, springtime, and so forth. They gave you some sequins. Yeah, I'm not going to go into my sequin thing, but they gave you some sequins, and you could either, one of 3 colors that you would get. You would get this color. I think it was like a white shimmery color, or like a dark cobalt blue. I was hoping for the cobalt blue, but these are still cute too. Then you get a shimmer mist, and I believe it's a silver one. Let me see if I can read it. Silver smoke, yeah, so it's a silver one, and I believe this is a full-size mist, but I'm not sure. So that was pretty cool. You got a mini white stone drop, and I love these stone drops. I actually have the full-size one, and I love using it. It works well for snow, icing, that kind of thing. They give you this, I keep saying they give you like you didn't pay for it. This Wedgwood Blue Nouveau, I'm trying to see what kind it is, a crystal drop. So I think crystal drops have glitter in it, or I'm not sure. They've got crystal, this and that, and blah, blah, blah. The only ones I know for sure are jewel drops because they have that translucent look to it. Then they give you the glacier paste. Like, I love how we say glacier and they say glacier. I love it. So the glacier paste. So you've got this one, it's the glimmer, it's actually the glimmer paste, not the glacier paste, but the glimmer one, and it's got glitter in it. I think the glacier paste is like mica or something. It's like a smoother shine. Then of course you've got your papers. Papers. Which are these. And look how lovely it looks like that. So it could look like a frosted window. See that? Or that could also look like water. So, you know, if you did it, you could go mermaid with it or something, ocean themed. Same thing here. You know, you've got that gorgeous blue, but you could go ocean or whatnot. I love this, and it looks silver. So craft with silver on it, which I love that. And then you've got this icy color blue. They tell you what the colors are, but I don't really care. I'm never going to remember the colors. And then this is a pale blue as well, so it's like an icy color blue. So this very well could be a summery one as well as winter. So I love that. And then they have like this kind of seafoam green shimmer. Luster paper or whatever you want to call it. So there's that part. Then, of course, my favorite of all things are the dies. So you get this. I was right, 26. So they always come in this little thing. And what I'm going to do is put them on magnetic sheets inside here. And then to keep them, they give you a binder every 3 months. So I want to put them on a magnetic sheet in here and then put these all in the binder. So you get stomps. Oh, stomps, stomps, stomps. Snowflakes, jingle all the way. Joy to the world. So that's lovely. And I like that little Santa hat on there. They have some information about the Tonic storage in their little bag. I'm trying to get rid of stuff to not have to buy more storage. You get your sticker. And I might stick it on the front. I don't know. I'm thinking this might go in my December daily because I like it. And then your dies. So you know I love dies. Dies, dies, dies. So these will cut out the snowflakes. They look a little bit big, so they're supposed to cut those out. And this one goes, this one kind of looks like a spider web. There. And then these two cut out your two sentiments. Which one? This one and Joy to the World. They cut out. Then they give you these two little banners. So you have the one banner die and then two inserts that you could use. Which those look really neat like that. This one I think is a snowflake. That's pretty cool. And then you have the bulbs, which are these. And what's cool about them is they give you this little piece here and this one. And these pieces, I'm trying to make sure you can see it. These pieces are supposed to create like little pockets. So you cut it into the card. Like if you cut it here, then you can slide something behind it. So it creates these two little pockets. So you got a pocket for the round one and you got a pocket for the more teardrop ovally shape. Then I love it because it has this background layer. Then you have the inside layer. Then they give you two pieces. So you can have two different designs in here. You can flip it over and have it again. You could cut it into your card. I just love how they do. I love their Verso stuff. And then they do the same thing up here. So you have your outer layer. You have your backing layer in here. So you could make a shaker. So you take this and just make your little shaker. And then they have these two pieces that fit. So you could cut this into your card and have this normal, you know, just plain, or vice versa. You could get both of them in. Fabulousness. So this will be fun to play with. And I love it. So that is my Tonic kit unboxing for number 26. I hope you guys like it and hope to get around to be doing some projects with these. Because I'm like, All right. So now I said this in a previous video because of Monica, who is scrapping for my boys. She made a comment like, you should do a box and purse collab. So I'm actually considering doing a box, bag, and purse collab for 2020. If you're interested in seeing that, let me know in the comments below, because if there's enough interest, then I might actually do that one. So, haha, Monica. All right, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.